Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you how to make cold coffee with ice cream and without ice cream. Cold coffee is a satisfying and fantastic treat to enjoy on a warm, sunny day. This cold coffee recipe is perfect blend of creamy, tasty and frothy beverage and a perfect treat on a summer day. So let's get started. Before moving to recipe, I would like to mention that I have Kashmiri and Urdu channel. Do check them out. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. A glass of cold coffee. I have taken 2 teaspoons of sugar, or you can adjust according to your taste. 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of cold milk, and I'm taking 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, or you can use chocolate ice cream also if you like chocolatey flavor. And coffee you can adjust according to your taste. If you like slightly bitter, you can add more coffee also. So here I'm taking this plain vanilla ice cream, and we'll be taking some ice cubes. So in a blender jar I'm adding cocoa powder, coffee, sugar, milk and ice cubes, and I'll be adding 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Blend all these ingredients together for a frothy and creamy cold coffee. So here cold coffee is ready with ice cream. Pour it in a serving glass. I had drizzled some chocolate on the sides of glass and kept in fridge for some time. Making of cold coffee without ice cream, for that I am using 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of coffee, 2 teaspoons of sugar, ice cubes, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of milk powder. So instead of ice cream we are using milk powder and a cup of chilled milk, and we'll blend all these ingredients together. Here our cold coffee is ready. Here both the cold coffees are ready. So I have garnished it with an ice cream scoop and with some chocolate syrup and some almonds, and in the another one I'm adding some chocolate syrup. You can garnish it the way you want. Here easy to make cold coffees are ready. These are the perfect treat on hot summer day. It's so hot here, the drizzled chocolate on the glasses have already melted. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.